Hello friends, Dr. Anuradha here. Today I'll be discussing a clinical VNF in glaucoma. A 70-year-old lady presents with severe pain, redness and blurred vision in the left eye. No history of such attacks in the past. Her IOP in this eye is 43 mm mercury. The slit lamp examination is as shown in the image. The other eye has moderate cataract with normal IOP. What is your probable diagnosis? Choices given are lens displacement glaucoma, phacolytic glaucoma, phacomorphic glaucoma, primary angle closure glaucoma. Let us look at the given picture in detail. There is a conjunctival congestion. A white swollen cataractous lens is seen and anterior chamber is shallow. So going by the clinical history given and the clinical findings in the image given, the correct choice is phacomorphic glaucoma. So let us see what are the points in favor of phacomorphic glaucoma. As you can see in the image, there is a white intumescent swollen lens. The anterior chamber is shallow, pressure is increased as given in the history, and there is absence of marked AC reaction in the form of a hypopyon. So this makes this case of phacomorphic glaucoma. The phacomorphic glaucoma, the pressure rises because there is a secondary pupillary block due to swollen cataractous lens. Why this case is not of a lens displacement glaucoma? Because there is no subluxated lens in this case and there is no history of trauma in the past given. Also, there is no association to any syndromic condition. It is also not a case of phacolytic glaucoma because here the cataract is hypermature, while in our case the cataract is white mature cataract. There is also absence of hypopyon or flare in the given case, and the anterior chamber in our case is shallow, whereas in phacolytic glaucoma it is either normal or deep. It is also not a case of primary angle closure glaucoma because there you will see a shallow AC in both eyes, while in our case only left eye is involved. And in primary angle closure glaucoma there is always a previous history, whereas in our case there is no past history of such high attacks of intraocular pressure. So this clinical case is a case of phacomorphic glaucoma. The definitive treatment of phacomorphic glaucoma is in the form of cataract surgery. First we control the intraocular pressure and then we take up the patient for the cataract surgery. So thank you dear friends. I'll be back soon with more clinical cases for you to discuss with me. Thank you very much.